Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to get a quick informations about the weather or the weather predictions of the day on your lock screen. So to do that, you just need to open your settings, and right after that go scrolling down until you find the wallpaper. After you found the wallpaper, just go click them and you will see there will be like information about the current wallpaper that you use for your lock screen and home screen. So the lock screen information will be on the left side while the home screen will be on the right side. So if you want to customize the lock screen, you just need to take a look on this lock screen part and go click this customize button. And to get the quick information about the weather or weather predictions, you just need to go click add widgets. Now you just need to choose this part and you just need to click them, and that will be automatically added into your lock screen. So you just need to go click X for the widget, and you can also adjust in the positions by drag them into the specific part that you want to place them. So that is the way, guys, how to add a quick information about the weather of the day. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will like to see you for the next tutorial.